Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So this is a different kind of vlog. I am going to the gym. It is like 9 something at night. I had a full day of eating, not that great. So I'm gonna go to the gym. It's kind of empty, so that way we can see some of my training regimen as I start working on upping my volleyball game. Hey, what's up you guys? So I am at the gym and I really love making gym vlogs because it's an opportunity for you guys to see me in a different aspect. And if you didn't know already, my first channel on YouTube, its title was Lipstick and Lifting, and it's something that I was so passionate about, and I am so passionate about, which is a healthy lifestyle on top of volleyball, because they kind of go hand in hand, and I really want to be able to bring you both because you have to live a healthy lifestyle in order to reach the potential that you have as a great volleyball player. So I went to the gym this past week or so, and what I did was I worked on back and arms. So I'm just going to show you a little bit about what I did during this workout so that way you can see me in the gym for the first time. Now, I know we've seen a ton of YouTube channels that have a ton of workouts. Now, I don't want it to necessarily be that. I know that being a volleyball player, there's a lot of different aspects that go into building your stamina, your endurance, to learn how to play and things like that. And physical fitness was a part of that. And I want you to know that it was a part of that. So I do have to work out in the gym regularly. I had not been in the gym in a while because I've been in a recent life transition. And starting that was something that got me really busy. So now I'm trying to find the time to be able to do that, eat healthy, play volleyball, focus on my goals, build the channel, and do a whole bunch of different things, which happens in life sometimes. We get busy, we have to drop something, and I'm trying to find a way to balance it all. So working out is something that's so important because it will keep me playing longer. It will keep me feeling good and feeling healthy. It's not about looking a particular way. It's about being healthy. And I know that a lot of you guys saw that when I first started my channel, I was a little bit heavier, and that is true. And then I took the lifestyle change more seriously and focused more on my goals and my self-care, which is so important. And what I did was I started focusing on eating healthier, stop eating so much fast food, using food as fuel, and making sure to get exercise every day. And I've been doing that. I've gained a little bit of weight back just because of some life changes, but I'm back on track, and I'm excited for the journey that's ahead because I want to be able to be the best volleyball player that I can be. I want to get up there and have just like this huge vertical and be able to like get 10-foot line on a men's net. I know it's possible, but I have to dedicate myself to those goals in order for it to happen. So that's something I'm working on right now, and it's important to me, and I would love to be able to show those things to you. I know that a lot of you guys came here for volleyball tips, and that is awesome, and I think this is something that flows so well into it. Now, I don't want to be a traditional vlogger in the sense of, look at my life, look at my everyday life, but more of like, look at what I'm doing in order to find this product. Like, look at what I'm doing in order for this to happen. So you can see exactly how to be the best volleyball player you want to be. That way, if you're interested in physical health and fitness, that you can find something in that, because I have a lot to share about that. I want to be able to do all of that. So I'm just really excited. If that's something that you would really enjoy, please share a comment below. I would really love that. And thank you so much for checking out this first mini video. I have a video coming out on Wednesday, more of a day in the life. So I'm excited for that. So please like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Thanks, guys.